Color Eraser and some 20 volume. Hey sailors, it's the girl with the lighthouse tattoo, and I think we can all agree my hair is a nightmare of all sorts of colors that no longer make any sort of sense. And yes, it's grown out, but we're not gonna bleach it. Just not yet, okay? We'll do it eventually. We will do it eventually. But until then, we're gonna get some Color Eraser and some 20 volume, and we are gonna fix this mess on top of my head. Even my dog is sick of this. Okay, so here's how it looks after one sitting. Dog hair all over my shirt, of course, as always. I live in a world of dog hair. So yeah, my hair is still quite orange on the ends, as you can see. The top is quite blonde for some reason. I guess, like, not perfect. There's definitely some bits that could use a little bit of love, but I think that was just poorly bleached in the first place, quite possibly. This is why I don't like to rush my roots, because when I do, then I get these little chunks of orange right near the root because I'm trying to rush. So anyways, I'm just leaving this longness out, and then I think we're gonna do one more attempt with the color remover. I just didn't want to fry my hair since it was just a couple of spots that needs like the orange lift. So this top part was that purple pink originally, and this was like that rainbow color. So in this rainbow area, we have that red that just like turned to bright orange and just didn't want to go. And it really wasn't fading as quick as the other colors too. So if you want red hair, it lasts forever. If you want to get rid of it, it's a nightmare. Much like this pimple is my nightmare right now. Anyways, yeah, I'll hit you guys up after I do another session. And my food's ready, so I'm gonna go snack.